Understanding clean ingredients in food products. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's become increasingly popular in the world of food and health: clean ingredients. This term might sound simple, but it has a lot of layers to it. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and why it matters. The term clean ingredients refers to food components that are natural, unprocessed, and free from artificial additives. This includes things like preservatives, artificial colors, or flavor enhancers. The emphasis is on simplicity and healthfulness. These are ingredients you would likely recognize and be able to pronounce. The importance of clean ingredients lies in their health benefits and environmental impact. Foods with clean ingredients are often seen as healthier because they're less processed and free from chemicals that some people wish to avoid. Additionally, the production of clean ingredients typically has a lower environmental footprint, making them a more sustainable choice. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. Clean ingredients include whole fruits and vegetables, grains like quinoa and oats, and unprocessed meats. On the other hand, ingredients that are not considered clean might include high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and hydrogenated oils. Identifying clean ingredients is all about reading labels and understanding what you're eating. Look for short ingredient lists with familiar names. Be wary of long, unpronounceable words, as they often indicate the presence of artificial additives. Remember, the closer a food is to its natural state, the more likely it is to be considered clean. And that's a wrap on clean ingredients. We hope this video has shed light on what this term means and why it's significant in today's food culture. Remember, understanding what you eat is a big step towards a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay healthy and informed.